So what you're going to need are just a pair of shoes. You can find some white canvas shoes at Walmart for like $5. These are some old ones that I have. You're gonna want rubbing alcohol and some Sharpies. So the first thing that you're going to do is pick out your Sharpie colors. Mine are gonna be blue, kind of like the cooler colors to make the galaxy. And you're just going to design your shoe however you want it. And then the rubbing alcohol will kind of help the colors bleed together. So you can paint or draw your shoes however you may like. I'm just doing some chevron stripes. And these are some old shoes, but you can get some at like Walmart or like a dollar store for really cheap. This is an easy craft that you don't have to spend a lot of money for. And you can wear it, so it's fun for lots of different things. And a lot of people, if you want to, you can just like make like polka dots and stuff, and then have the rubbing alcohol kind of bleed together. Or you can make a design. It's kind of just fun to experiment with what works the best. I've also made Rapunzel shoes, and I've also made Stitch shoes. So one was out of paint and one was out of Sharpies. The rubbing alcohol works with Sharpies really well. I will kind of show you how that works. With the rubbing alcohol, you will want fabric, or you can use cotton balls or tissue paper. But you'll just dab it. It works really well once the shoe is once the Sharpie's still kind of wet. Like right before the Sharpie dries, it's good to use the rubbing alcohol. And it just kind of bleeds together. It's cool to see what happens when the colors bleed together. So there's one example. And then like I said, I have made other different, here's some Stitch shoes that I use like the rubbing alcohol with Sharpie. And then here are some ones that I've painted that you did not use the rubbing alcohol, I just painted them. So there are lots of different ideas and options that you can do. You don't have to use Sharpies, you can use fabric markers, you can use tie-dye. I've used paint, like acrylic paint. So it's up to you what you want to use. And then just continue to make creative designs with your Sharpies and show me what your finished product looks like.